Ang sarap magbiyahe ng walang traffic. Diyan sa Pilipinas, di ba, sobrang traffic. Dito sa US, walang traffic. Less stress. Kaya na-enjoy ko yung pagbibiyahe namin ni Mr. everyday. Lumuluwas kami sa isang linggong yung pinakamahabang pagbibiyahe namin is mga 6 days. Pero yung biyahe namin is iba't ibang route. Kumbaga, this week, papunta kami sa Virginia. And next week, pupunta naman kami sa Minnesota. Nakaka-stress man ang buhay tracker dito sa US. Pero rewarding pag na-accomplish namin ni husband yung mga delivery namin. Anyway guys, napag-desisyon na namin ni husband na mag-take ng break. Dahil gutom na kami. Dahil sabi ni husband, it will take a while for us to find rest area. At napakahirap maghanap ng parking bandang Chicago. Kakain muna kami dito sa an hour away bago kami dumating sa Chicago. So gusto namin to ni Mr. itong quick trip na to kasi they are selling a yummy chicken. Plus yung parking nila dito is maluwang. So hindi mahirap mag-park ng truck dito sa quick trip na to. Iyang parang castle, sabi ni Ross, nagtitinda daw yan sila ng mga cheese. Hinihintay lang namin ni Javi yung light na mag-green. Gogora na tayo. Anyway, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. At ayun na nga, nag-green light na. Malapit lang ang quick trip dito sa area na to. Kumbaga, mga ilang ikot lang. Sa dalawa. Mga dalawang ikot din. Nasa quick trip na tayo. Ayun. From the right. At iyon na nga, dumating na kami sa quick trip. At pansin ko lang, yung mga trucker na kagaya namin, mostly dito sila nagpa-park sa quick trip. Because quick trip is all around US. At maganda doon kasi ang quick trip is malinis ang CR, mga ganon. Tapos marami silang mga foods na binibenta, iba't ibang mga variety ng pagkain. At ayun nga, balik kalsada na kami ni husband. Dito pala kami dumaan sa may tollway ng Chicago. Kasi chinik ni Ross yung kalagayan ng kalsada sa walang bayad na route. Dito sa may tollway area, nandito yung malapit yung airport. Kumbaga, nadadaanan namin yung airport ng Chicago. Kung nakikita nyo, ayun may papalanding na airplane. So that was close guys. Sobrang lapit niya talaga. At ang ganda niya tingnan. Share ko lang, itong Chicago Airport, dito kami bumaba ni Ross nung unang pagdating ko dito sa US. So ayun yung highlight pag dito kami dumaan sa may tollway. Makikita namin yung airport. At doon naman sa major route, doon sa walang bayad na kalsada, yung makikita namin is yung city ng Chicago. Oh my god guys, sobrang ganda ng view doon. Makikita mo talaga yung whole city. So ayun nga, tumigil muna kami sa pagbibiyahe para bumili ng gasolina para sa trailer at kasi sabi ni Mr. itong gasoline station is maganda yung pricing nila dito. At kailangan ng trailer ng maraming gallons ng gasolina. At tapos na tayo doon sa trailer. Dito naman tayo sa truck. Kasi mahirap na pag naubusan ng fuel habang nasa daan. Yung fuel naman is everywhere. Pero yung pricing nila is iba't iba. Minsan mura, minsan mahal sila magbenta. So this station is really good. At habang papump ng fuel, nilinis ni Mr. yung front window ng truck para kasi yung mga bugs is they're back. Kasi hindi na winter. Pag winter kasi nagtatago yung mga yun. Pag hindi na winter, lumalabas sila. Ang galing, di ba? So ayun, ginabi na kami. Dumaan kami dito sa repairan ng tires. Kasi tatlo yung tires na may damage. So kailangan namin palitan yun. Kasi mahirap na pag natsimpuhan ng mga, alam mo na, manghuhuli sa daan. Buti na lang itong truck repair is walang pila. So, kaagad kami nakakasalang. Kasi I've noticed that hindi lahat ng truck repair shop is available sila kaagad na i-replace yung tire mo. Minsan, inaabot kami ng half day sa paghihintay lang para ma-replace yung tire namin. So, swertihan lang talaga pag ganito na hindi marami yung ano nila, yung customer. Baby, you're done?
We're trying to do burnouts with your trailer now. Have a good night.
Thanks.
At ayun na nga guys, mabilis silang natapos. Wow! Plano namin ni Mr. dito na lang mag-park. Kasi may nakita kaming bakante pa para maparkingan ng truck. That's a lot of cheese, my darling. Go eat it. Just eat it.
I'm gonna save it for later. 80 servings? Oh my god.
How many calories per serving?
90.
Not too bad.
7,000 calories. 7,200.
At ayun na nga guys, nakahanap na kami ng parking spot. At naggutom kami dalawa. So, kakain muna kami ng sandwich. Yung akin is sandwich tapos few cheese and then yung kay Mr. naman is
No, I don't like the
gusto niya ng pretzels at saka yung cheese. It was a long day. So, tinamad na kami ni Mr. lumabas para maghanap ng pagkain. At mayroon naman kami ditong baon na tinapay at saka cheese. So, okay na to. May raraos na yung gabi.
Thank you.
At ayun na nga, habang kumakain kami, kuninto ni Mr. yung kalagayan ng truck namin. Sabi niya, yung truck namin is umabot na sa prime life, meaning umabot na siya sa adulthood, kumbaga sa tao. So, parang naging emotional ako dito.
No longer.
Kasi, parang second home na namin to eh. Or parang number one na bahay na namin to, itong truck na to. Kasi most of our life we spent here.
Like Midwest.
At saka umuwi lang kami ng Friday, Saturday. Tapos, bumabalik ulit kami ng Sunday. So, di ba nakakalungkot? So, ito na nga. My husband is trying to explain me everything. So, I will understand better.
It'll be 20 years from now. It'll be like, duk, 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 duk.
This will be my service to go to Walmart when I shop. Baby,
Be pouring smoke out.
baby, can I keep this truck? Why?
Expensive. Would you choose luxury car or this big truck?
This one.
Wow.
It broke my heart.
Don't grab me, it's a truck. Oh my god. It's just metal, it's not a real person.
At ayun na nga guys, umaga na. Tapos na ang ma-emotional na gabi. Hindi nakakalungkot talaga kung isipin. Pero, tama si Mr. is nasa prime life na tong truck. So, kailangan namin i-let go. Kasi mabilis na masira yun. So, ayun, I believe nasa New Jersey na kami nito. Approaching to our real delivery. So, enjoy na lang natin yung view habang nasa biyahe. Twinning kami ni Mr. Date. Actually, yung suot kong jacket is kanya yan. Aywan ko ba, comfortable yung mga damit niya. At ayun na nga, tapos na ang araw ulit natin sa pagmamaneho. I believe inabot kami ng 11 hours to drive to the nearest location sa delivery namin the next day. So, ayun. Naghahanap si Mr. ng mapaparkingan. Marami namang bakante, kaya lang mas sinisigurado talaga ni Mr. yung maganda yung mapaparkingan ng truck. Ang galing niya. Kung iisipin ko is, paano kaya nila na gagawa yan, no? Yung mag-park ng ganyan. Na, halimbawa, dalawa yung truck yung nasa gilid. Tapos mayroong empty spot sa gitna. Oh my God, is napakahirap yun mag-park para sa akin. Kaya, yung sabi ni Mr. nag-aral siya muna ng mga ilang months para maging isang trucker. Kasi, kailangan talaga ng skills. Hindi yung tama na yung marunong ka mag-drive. No. Kailangan talaga alam mo lahat. Pag-parking, pag-check ng truck, check ng trailer, and all that. Wow, perfectly. Look at that. Tingnan nyo guys, napaka-perfect talaga ng pag-park. At imagine, ang laki pa ng truck na to. Matutulog na kami ni Mr. soon. At ilalagay ko lang yung sleeping lady ko. Diyan sa harap. Kumbaga siya yung bantay habang tulog kami dito. Good night everyone. Medyo antok na ang lola nyo. See you tomorrow. A moment later. Char. Good morning. Yan, alisin ko na yung sleeping lady. Doon muna siya sa likod. So ayun guys, gumising kami ng maaga para on time kami sa puntahan namin. Para hindi kami malate. Kasi pag na-late lang ng ilang minuto is i-reschedule nila yung isang tracker. So, di ba hassle? Kahit na comfortable ka sa isang bed or sa iyong higaan, kailangan talagang gumising ng maaga para hindi malate sa delivery. Yun yung buhay tracker. So, ayun na nga. Dumating na kami dito. On time! Yay! Tamang imot-imot lang at nagbabasa si Mr. doon sa paperworks niya.
We have one of our trucks that is stalled,
Okay.
so we're losing 2 doors. Just pull up to the right and get Sadie right behind that. The 2 trucks are up there, right?
All right.
When the door comes, I'll let him know you're here.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I got a grande cheese. I know he has to wait. Grande cheese. Right? Thank you.
Yep.
Hold on a second. Let me back up, right?
Okay. That's too bad. The truck stalled out and he's blocking the doors, so he can't get into the door right now.
What happened to the truck?
Like his engine broke or his transmission broke. So he's like he broke down in front of the dock doors that we need to unload.
Well, I'll just meet it there.
Yeah, I don't know if he was backing up or trying to pull out when it broke down. Remember us when we were trying to get reverse and then our transmission wasn't working? It's probably like that.
So they're gonna tow him or what? That's unfortunate. At ayun na nga, nabigyan na si Mr. ng door or ng dock kung saan i-unload yung product. At punta na kami dun. Yay! We made it! It's a long journey to get here. At pagkatapos nitong delivery is pabalik na kami to Midwest. Papark lang si Mr. At para ma-unloadan na kami. Ang ganda ng kalangitan. At ayun na nga, nakapark na kami dito. Check lang si Mr. sa likod. At ayun na nga, gabi na ulit. Hindi ko na na-film yung buong kaganapan niya yung araw. Kasi tulog lang ako habang nagbibiyahe kami pabalik. So nandito ulit kami sa isang truck stop.
So is it?
At kung makikita nyo naman is
Yeah, this is not a good
napakaraming
spot.
trucks na nakapark. At ang problema dito is wala kaming mahanap na parking spot. Nandito kami sa daanan ng mga truck. Wala talaga kaming mahanap. Oh God.
This one?
it's pain in the ass.
Here?
So, ang iniisip namin ni Mr. is dyan kami mag-park dyan sa likod na yan.
Yeah, it's way dangerous.
Sa likod ni
Hold on,
Bulos.
did he leave?
Or sa tabi ni Binson. Or Bison.
I think that's the best we have.
Or sa likod ni Swift. Ay, naku, ewan. Kaya lang medyo dangerous.
Because what happens is once one of these leave, then I can take their spot.
Okay, it didn't work. Napagdesisyon na namin ni Mr. mag-proceed at magtingin-tingin sa unahan. Kasi delikado talaga kasi paano yung pag may isang trucker na hindi talaga siya careful sa pagmamaneho at natamaan kami or nagasgasan man lang yung trailer. Oh God, that.
It's always my goal to reach 500,000 miles with this truck. That's always like considered the most valuable lifespan.
Mm-hmm.
Like prime driving. So he's old age now.
Yay!
He's ready for retirement soon. Sure.
May nahanap kaming isang spot, nag-iisang spot talaga. At nandito na kami naka-parking and ready for the night. It was a long day, a roller coaster day. Mixed emotion. Because, you know, kung napanood nyo yung buong vlog na to is napaka emotional na journey. Alright guys, good night. Thank you for watching. Bye!